Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders Supply. In this video is to bring you a closer look at the the Irwin 63132 Cobalt high-speed steel fractional straight shank jobber length drill bit, 1/2 inch. This is a great bit. Here's why. Certainly it's Cobalt 16 series from Irwin, constructed of M-35 5% cobalt high-speed steel for super abrasive resistance in tough metals. Heavy-duty spiral flute design produces faster chip ejection. Shorter cutting lips reduce torque for drilling in high tensile strength material. Now, in the part where I'm most partial to this drill bit is the 135-degree chisel point. Okay, this is going to be for tough metal drilling, including heavy-duty, abrasive alloy metal, hardened steel, heat-treated materials. Here's what I mean. I primarily will use Irwin, and I'm partial to Irwin, not only because I'm a distributor, but because I use the products personally in applications that evolve around commercial metal doors and hardware. 1/2 inch is not a common size that I would drill, but occasionally I do. I will generally function holes for mortise locks, things of that nature. A cobalt bit is overkill for a typical application. But when I'm drilling something that's utterly crucial, that I'm able to get through a thick piece of material, even if it's mild steel, or something a bit more tenacious like stainless, I prefer the cobalt, but I more so prefer the 135-degree chisel point, because as I am drilling through a thick piece of material, because that 135-degree is flatter than 118-degree, as I'm drilling through the material, I get much closer to exiting the piece before the outer spirals might get caught on a piece of material that's become much thicker than what it's accustomed to drilling through, seizing the tool in my hand. So I'm able to exit a thick piece of material, that 1/2 inch bit, lots of RPM, and it needs to be drilled straight. I like to be patient. I like to drill through that material. Obviously a drill press would be the way to go, but that's not always how you can drill. And I find that cobalt with 135-degree is my ace up the sleeve when it comes to getting a difficult hole, a potentially dangerous hole, in odd material drilled correctly, straight, and exactly where I need it, and more importantly, where I need it to exit out as well. Okay, that's going to go along regardless of the diameter. Again, 1/2 inch, 135-degree. I'd like that. There's a couple of links below this video that I'd like to call to your attention. First, the reference guide, and it's really just a metal drilling reference guide that will give you handy information. The last page will give you some cutting speeds, depending on what material you're going through. The other link is the link to the product brochure, which is the subsection of the full line catalog as it pertains to metal drilling. You can search for the 63132. In that document, you will find not only this 1/2 inch drill bit, but all of the other sizes and fractional sizes, 1/8 inch to 1/2 inch in 64ths of an inch increments in that cobalt 135-degree point. Handy. You might say, well, I need other sizes. That document will make it easier sometimes to find the part number. You can pick up the part number, for instance, for 5/16, which is an incredibly common size for us, 63120. Populate that into the website and find your piece. Finally, there's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page, where you can pull up not only all of the Irwin products that we sell, a link to the manufacturer's website, along with a link to the full line catalog. If you have any questions on the Irwin 63132 Cobalt 1/2 inch jobber's length straight shank drill bit, straight shank 1/2 inch shank drill bit, or any other Irwin product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.